Before starting Daseinanalytic Psychotherapy, we have to do an initial interview with a new client. So we invite our people who are interested in Daseinanalysis to see us in our office in a sitting session. The first interview is not on the couch, obviously. And we are curious about the aims and expectations of the clients. So the first session is in a sitting position. It takes 50 minutes and is for free, per definition. It doesn't cost anything. We encourage our clients to tell us about their problems, about their expectations, about their needs, and about their previous experiences. Some clients already had some forms of psychotherapy before, some diagnosis maybe even some treatments, some medications. We need to know the previous history in terms of medical history, but a little bit also about the personal history. So if we have heard the symptoms and the problems of the client, then we ask them whether they have some potential explanation, whether they have an idea in which direction the help would be to look at. And thereby we sometimes have to ask a little bit about past relationships, about childhood, but just briefly. This will be a topic for the psychotherapeutic relationship. Mostly people have very specific expectations and clearly state what they want to have when they start Daseinanalysis. As therapists, we have to be very honest and very frank about the possibilities of what we can do and what we cannot do. In Daseinanalysis, we do not believe that you can heal any psychopathology. We are specialized in certain pathologies, but there are some pathologies that are better treated by other modalities. So as Daseinanalyst, I used to inform my new clients about other ways of psychotherapy, probably better ways, where they might reach the goal more quickly than with Daseinanalysis. By being honest, our client will be honest as well and will tell us exactly what she or he expects from therapy. At the end of the initial session, we can thereby talk about the duration of therapy. The experienced therapist knows which pathology takes how many sessions to get better. We arrange the fee, how much it would cost a session, about the duration, 50 minutes per session, about the frequency, which is recommended twice per week in Daseinanalysis, in order to reach a certain intensity in our relationship, in order to warrant an authentic relationship, an authentic psychotherapeutic realm. At the end of the initial session, I used to ask the clients to think about it. We do not decide anything after the first session. I ask the clients to call me again, at least 1 or 2 days later, and to tell me about their decision, whether they really want to start psychotherapy, or maybe later, or maybe they prefer another modality. And I will honestly tell them whether this is a good idea or not. And yes, I will also recommend other psychotherapists. I would give them phone numbers, I would give them the recommendation for the proper psychotherapeutic approach. This is important because I want my clients to feel that I am authentic, that I am honest, just the way that I expect them to be during psychotherapy.